guys, welcome to episode 6 of That Smoothie Girl. Today we are going to be looking at the Apple with Broccoli Smoothie from the book Superfood Smoothies by Julie Morris. There's so many great recipes from this book, so I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. I'm super excited to try this one out. If you didn't catch the last few Blue Algae episodes, I'll add a link on the screen now. For this recipe, we're going to need frozen bananas, almond milk, apple juice, lemon, frozen broccoli, and blue algae. First, we are going to cut our broccoli. You're going to need 3 cups. When it's cut up, throw it in the freezer for a couple hours. This helps minimize the vegetable taste and makes it more pleasurable to eat. Next, we're going to measure out 1.5 cups of almond milk, pour it in an ice tray, and freeze it. Now we will take 1 cup of our frozen bananas and add it to the blender. I prefer pre-frozen bananas because I think they have more flavor to them, but you can take fresh bananas, slice them up yourself, and freeze them if you'd like. Time for our 1/2 teaspoon of blue algae. Again, today I will be using the Doublewood Supplements Blue Algae, which I will link in the description below. Now take your lemon, cut it in half, and juice until you have a 1/4 cup and pour into the blender. Pour in 1.5 cup of apple juice. If you use organic, make sure you shake well to mix in the nutritional sediment. This smoothie has a much thicker consistency, so you're going to want to blend it for at least 2 minutes. Finally, as always, you'll take your favorite glass and pour the smoothie. It really doesn't have much of a broccoli taste at all, and it's actually a very refreshing smoothie. Feel free to let me know in the comments below if you guys try out this smoothie recipe. Thank you guys for all the support. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more like this. We'll see you soon.